Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to list a token on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now you just need to go and of course connect your wallet, and let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner we have the trade, explore and pool, and we have the search tokens, and we can go and check out the swap anytime, anywhere. And in the top right corner, we have the get the app, or of course here where you can go and connect your wallet. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and list a token on Uniswap. So first of all, ensure your token is already deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Then open Uniswap and connect your wallet. So as I told you, go to the top right corner, and here you can go and connect your wallet. Now go to the pool tab and click the add liquidity button. Choose your token and complete the token. So you need to go to the pool, which is here, as you can see. And here, as I told you, you need to go and click the add liquidity button and then choose your token. Then approve the token in your swap in your wallet. Enter the amount of tokens in ETH you want to provide as liquidity. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. If your token isn't automatically listed, you may need to submit a listing proposal to the Uniswap governance forum. Clearly articulate the value proposition of your token and engage with the community. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.